Hi guys, Darren here for another Airless Q&A video. Today I want to talk about gun safety, and safety at the workplace starts with good habits. So the first thing that I'd like to speak about is just that you want to be pointing the gun towards the wall. You're putting the gun on the floor. You do not want to be pointing it at yourself or other people. Now, if you're a painter that just works on your own, you might not be used to having more people around if you're working on a bigger project, or if you just have a lot of people working at the same time. So do be sure to be mindful of everyone around you and make sure you have the gun pointing at the spraying surface and not at yourself or others. The next is getting into a habit of making sure that when you're not spraying, that you have the trigger lock in place. Now, for different guns, there'll be a different type of safety lock mechanism. In this case, with the Wagner Vector grip, it's slightly different, and it's more of a slider that when you slide it on either side, that will lock the trigger. For some of the other guns, it's more of a twisting safety lock. And this is something that it's really important that when you stop spraying, you get into that habit of, okay, you'll be spraying, and then so you stop spraying and you put in the lock. And that's something that you really want to ingrain in yourself as a habit, because then you don't have, because unfortunately accidents happen when you're not thinking about it, when you're being careless. So if you have that habit ingrained in you, then you'll be safe without even thinking about it. After that, the next thing would be when you're wanting to change your spray tip, or perhaps you want to remove your spray guard. Maybe there's a little bit of material, then you want to clean it. Again, as soon as you stop spraying, you're putting the safety lock on. And then when you're actually motioning to want to go to your spray tip or spray tip holder, whenever you're wanting to work on your gun, whether it's repairing it or cleaning it, your first inclination should be, all right, I want the sprayer off, I want the pressure reduced to 0 so that there's no pressure acting on the gun. So again, that would be a great habit for you to have, is when you think, okay, I want to work on my gun, I want to clean it, or I want to clean the spray tip. The first thing is thinking about, okay, power off, pressure down to 0, and then you want to be reaching towards the front of the gun. So there you have it. 2 habits: whenever you stop spraying, trigger lock, safety lock on. And also when you're cleaning, your first thing when you think cleaning, power off, pressure down to 0. And with that, you'll be good to go. And that's it for the safety video. If you have any other safety recommendations, let us know and comment below. And yeah, thanks again. So have a good day and have a great spray.